Today we're going to learn how to use scaling in model space. But, before that, we're going to use layout scaling. Type viewports and enter to show the drawing in model space. Select single and then OK. To use the viewports, use left click and then drag all the way down. In the lower right of the screen you will see the scaling options. Use 1 is to 100. Then, arrange correctly the viewports. Now, we are going to scale in model space. We're going to use a 3 paper size for this example. We need to scale our template into 1 is to 100. Select the template and then type SC and hit enter for scale command. Lastly, type 100 and hit enter to scale it into 1 is to 100. Our template dimension is now multiplied to 100. Then arrange it correctly to the drawing. Now how about different scales in one template? We have here a 1 is to 100 and 1 is to 50 scaling in one template. To scale it we are going to use the major scaling in the drawing, which is the 1 is to 100. Select the window in the drawing to be scaled, and then type SC and hit enter. Type 100 over 50 for the scaling of the drawing. Now the window scaled in 1 is to 50 in a 1 is to 100 template. But the dimension of the drawing is only doubled. To correct the dimension, go to Properties, type PR and hit enter. In the Properties menu, find Dim Scale Linear and then input 50 over 100 to correct the dimension of the window drawing. And that's how to scale in model space. Thank you for watching IEC Design Concept.